Hey guys, what's up? Shannon here. Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Eero WiFi mesh router. This is an Amazon product, or at least they do sell it on their website. They advertise it as an Amazon Eero mesh Wi-Fi, and you can get just one like I have here, or you can buy, I think, up to like 3 of them and connect them all together and just stick them all throughout your home to expand your Wi-Fi coverage. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. All right, there is the Eero router. It's actually a pretty nice looking router. No extra antennas, it's all built in. 2 gigabit Ethernet ports on the back. Oh, and this does run on the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band. It's a dual router, so you'll get faster speeds, obviously, if you have devices that can connect to the 5 gigahertz band instead of the 2.4 gigahertz band. There's like your little start guide and everything. Nothing too major there. And you got your cord. And it's actually, from what I can tell, it looks like it's a USB-C cord, that plugs directly in the back, which is nice. And there is your high-speed Ethernet cord. And that was pretty much it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. I'm out of here.